So ngayon nandito tayo sa Lychee Coffee. Michelin star restaurant din to. Bale, coffee and restaurant. Yun naman yung interior niya. Parang sa proscenium, lahat ng restaurant ngayon sa proscenium nakaganyan, naka-arc lahat ng mga ceiling. Ganda ng interior. Customized pati doors niya. Ito, imported din. So, ito yung truffle coffee at saka yung, anong tawag dyan?
Cloudy cream.
Cloudy cream. Try natin yung kanilang coffee. So, this is the truffle coffee of Lychee. Smells like truffle. Bold taste of the truffle and the coffee too. I like it. First time. The taste of the bold, parang yung Nguyen Legend boldness of the coffee. Then you add truffle. And it's so creamy. Try naman natin yung isa. I drink some water first to clear my palate. Almost the same, mas creamy to pero wala lang truffle. Not bad. Ang price niya sa peso siguro mga 170 pesos lang. Not bad. Try mo. Lychee coffee. Very good.